Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Uzair. You will know that if you saw one of my other videos. And we are going to see what are polynomials today. Yes, we are back to algebra. We have learned a lot of geometry. Let's go back to algebra. Okay, before we go any further explanation of polynomials, we need to understand more about terms. Now, terms, as I wrote here, is a mathematical expression. Hope you can see that. I wrote it as big as possible. I mean, it is watchable. That has a number part and a variable part. This mathematical expression has a number part and a variable part. Now, you might not see this, so it's not really visible, so I am going to explain. Number part will be shown as n. Variable part today will be shown as v, just to save time. Okay, I don't want to waste time. And these expressions will be multiplied. The number part and the variable part will be multiplied. And we usually don't show multiplication. And thanks to that rule, we are going to draw them right next to each other with nothing in between. Maybe free air in between, but no, that doesn't count. So a number part has another name, coefficient, which we can write as C. This is just for this video. It's not actually a mathematical rule. I just want to save time. That's why I gave this letters for abbreviation. But you won't write like C, N, and V in your class. So, yeah. Now, a number part or a coefficient part, just the name as the name suggests, has a number. It's like 5 or 6. Or 1.4. A variable part is more difficult. It's x, any like letter, to a power, like x squared or y squared. And x or y can also count because they have the first power. So x and y can also be x1 and y1. Okay? I got through that quickly. Okay, so now, as we all know, terms are a mathematical expression. We know what they are. Now let's go to polynomials. Woo! Okay, so polynomial is a think of it as a chain of terms. Okay, these lines from the chain would be the operation. Now you see, this is a combination of terms that are combined by either addition or subtraction. Two terms cannot multiply to make a polynomial. That would be crazy. Okay? So let's think of it as this. We can think of this polynomial thing as being combined with addition, because as we all know, subtraction is negative addition. So that will be the coefficient part. The coefficient will be negative. We'll go through that later. Now let's see a bit of a chart of how to express. So, let's go through these charts. Two terms will be called a binomial. One term will be called a monomial. and 3 will be a trinomial, and 4 to however many there is will be called a polynomial. Okay, so let's see. By the way, we use the polynomials as degree. We measure the polynomial as degree. So 5x4, the term is a 5th degree term. It depends on the coefficient. So let me get that out of the way. I have a book to give me examples. We have to arrange the degree from highest to lowest. Now degrees are for angles, I know, but in mathematics, as I said, degree can be measured as a small amount of something. Okay, so let's get that out of the way. Let's see some polynomials. X cubed plus 3x to the 4th plus 5 plus x. Okay, there are some parts missing, I know, but here I can use it as x to the 0th power, because x to the 0th power will always be 1, and the coefficient here is 1, so we don't need to write that. So this is a simplified polynomial. So we should rearrange it like this. Wait a second. Oh yeah, okay. So guys, I kind of forgot. A term's degree will actually be dependent on the power. So this is a 3rd degree power. This is a 4th degree term. Okay, so this, by keeping it arranged like this, it will be great. Now you might be thinking, Uzair, why are you rearranging it? They have the same value, I know, but mathematicians always like to keep things a bit organized in their equation. Okay, I know I've been spending a lot of time with this. Let's see. 7 minus x squared plus 2. Now you see, okay, 2x. Now you see, here we will write it as negative 2x squared, because as I said, this can be always added. Now I'm almost finished. Plus 2x plus 7. So I want to show you this, and that's all there is to it. I know it has been a long video, sorry for that, and that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Bye.